How is everything? Okay?
Yes. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Are you happy that we are going to have New Year soon?
I don't know. I don't wanna spend that New Year at home, but I have. I have.
Okay. All right, guys, let me ask this question for you. Okay, read the problem, Leila, Defna, Musa, and try to solve this. Can you solve this fast? Okay, I give you 3 minutes. Just solve it and tell me the answer.
Okay.
3 minutes. Okay, time starts now.
What's mean exceeds?
More than.
Thank you.
The denominator of a certain fraction exceeds its numerator by 4 means the denominator is 4 more than its numerator.
Thank you.
Time is up. Leila, any answer? Defna?
Teacher, I couldn't find it.
Defna, why not?
Teacher, I don't know. For some reason, I couldn't
I don't know. I have a.
Okay, here.
I have a question, but
Suppose that our fraction is a over b. Musa, okay, let's solve this and after that we'll discuss your solution. So it says that the denominator, and a is numerator, b is denominator, right? The denominator of a certain fraction exceeds its numerator by 4. What does it mean? It means that b minus a is equal to 4. If 2 over 3 is added to the reciprocal of the fraction. And what is the reciprocal of this fraction? It is b over a, right? Because if the product of two numbers or two expressions, whatever it is equal to 1, that means that they are reciprocals of each other. So b over a, and if we just add 2 over 3 to its reciprocal, the sum becomes 3. That is our system of linear equations. So we have to solve this one. How can I solve this? Here, the first one is, that means b is equal to a plus 4. And let me just substitute for b, instead of b, a plus 4 over a equals, take 2 over 3 to the right hand side. What is 3 minus 2 over 3? That's equal to 7 over 3, right? 9 minus 2. So here we have 7 over 3. Cross multiply, 3a plus 12 equals 7a. So 4a equals 12. What is a? A equals 3. If a equals 3, b must be 7. Dot, dot, dot. The fraction is 7 over 3. Musa, now I'm listening to you.
I have the same fraction, but the recip reciprocal I have like uh, a divided by b.
Okay, reciprocal means b over a, because they are reciprocal to each other, because the product a over b times b over a is equal to 1. So actually these two fractions are called reciprocals of each other. Daphne, any objection, any question, any feedback?
No, I
Layla,
love
are you
that.
there?
Yes.
Any question, Layla?
No.
Layla, ask me one question. Any question, ask me one question. What question would you ask? No question. How about Daphne? Ask me one question.
Teacher, what should I ask?
I don't know.
I just asked the teacher.
Are you wearing Turkish dress, Daphne?
What?
Are you wearing Turkish dress now? Is it
No,
traditional dress?
no, it's not.
What is
It's
it?
my own. It's like it's just a hoodie and like a high-waisted skirt.
Oh, it's a hoodie. I thought it's a kind of Turkish traditional dress.
You don't have something like that. I don't think so. Do we? But I would wear something traditional if we had one. We have these like days where we celebrate like different different countries in our school. Because it's in an international school, there's a lot of countries, and I could wear it if we had something like that. I really don't think we do.
Okay. So my question for you, Daphne, you didn't ask me any question. I would ask this question. These are very simple questions. You're solving a lot of problems. Why still can't you solve this question? Why? What may be the reason?
Teacher, I
Is
don't
it
know.
because you're not practicing questions? I think you're not practicing. How many questions did you solve from this chapter?
I don't know about no, that's too much. 30? I think something around 30. No, maybe more than that. I'm not sure. It can be something between 70 and 30.
Okay,
I
but
didn't like
if
count
you
how much I
practice
did.
more than 30 questions, this kind of question must be a piece of cake for you. Because here, you know, Daphne, Musa, Leila, here, sometimes when we are solving problems, a lot of people, we just actually deceive ourselves, okay? Oh, okay, if I solve this, okay, the denominator of a fraction, I understand, I can do that. But actually, when you just go deeper, it is not something like this, okay? Because our eyes deceive ourselves a lot. As you see here, by practicing, okay, you are actually practicing thinking. Okay, you are thinking by practicing more and more questions. Now you are teaching yourself or training yourself how to think fast. As you solve more and more questions, when you look at the question, idea comes so fast. and also you can solve problems without any mistake. And after that, if you can apply this skill into your daily life, also when you do other stuff, you can actually learn how to do things in a systematic way. That is what we are doing. Of course, indirectly, you may not use these things in our daily life, but actually it teaches us a lot of stuff. If you
Teacher, that
really
that's why
definitely,
like kindergarten students start with like stuff like five dogs or something, so that they can understand that math isn't just something made up, and it's actually something like visible that we can use. Of course, nobody's going to ask you to solve a like linear question like when you're walking on the street, but in the future when you have a job you will need to do it. For example, my parents' job is to find, they like literally is their job to do solve problems, like find the center of the mass in certain objects so that they can lift it, like
yeah,
right now my parents go and do what these like very very advanced, two or three times advanced, these formulas.
yeah, yeah. Actually, okay, your parents are civil engineers. Civil engineers must be good in math and physics. Okay, otherwise you cannot be a civil engineer. And even if you study business, if you study, let's say, banking and finance, if you study some kind of design, a certain level, you must learn math because math shapes your thinking skill. You
Teacher,
cannot
Snoop
deny
Dogg,
this.
even Snoop Dogg said, if you know general math, you will earn general money.
What do you mean?
Like, actually, it's not that true. But if you only know some amount of math and not know very advanced math, you will only learn like some amount of money to continue your life. Or if you will earn a lot of money for a time because of luck.
Well,
If you don't have any like difference from other people, I mean, you think that you don't have any power, something like special subject that you can go with, you can always go with math.
good. Okay, Daphne, now let's try again. Okay, now try. Okay, so to solve these questions fast and correctly. I'm going to ask you three more questions. For each question, I will give you 4 minutes. Okay. In 4 minutes, if you solve correct and tell me the right answer, you will get full point. If you don't answer, you will get nothing. Okay, you just get one smile from me. All right, are you ready? Musa, Daphne, Leila, 10, 11, 12. We are going to solve one by one. Now you can start this. You have 3 minutes to solve this question. Let's say 4 minutes maximum. If you are ready, start. No additional time, right? Exactly after four, I will stop. Simultaneous. Water, please. I can't wait because 15
Teacher, I'm
seconds.
done. Teacher, I'm
Yes.
done.
Musa, what is your answer? How old
Uh,
are they now?
the son is 14 and the father is 15.
Father is 15.
50.
15. Daphne?
Teacher, I had linear equations, but I'm gonna solve them.
Okay. Layla?
Still an improvement.
Layla,
I don't know.
why you don't know? Layla, why?
I don't know.
Do you know why you don't know?
No.
Oh, you don't know why you don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Layla, why are you shy? Layla, why actually you are so, I
Teacher,
mean,
I found it differently.
yes, Daphne, what is your answer?
My answer is the son is 15 years old and the dad is 30 years old, 35.
30 or 35?
35.
Okay, good. Anyways, we are talking about two different people. Here, let me just draw simple number line. Here, there is 0. We are talking about now. And it says 4 years time, right? And 6 years ago. So it is -6. This one is +4. So it says that a father and the son, how old are they? We don't know, right? So let's say uh, father is F years old, son is S years old. 6 years ago, father was F -6, son was S -6. 4 years later, it is F +4, S +4. Okay. Now it says that in 4 years' time, a father will be 3 times as old as his son. So 4 years' time, that means F +4 is equal to 3 times S +4, right? 6 years ago, he was 7 times as old as his son. 6 years ago, father was F -6 years old, and 7 times, right? 7 times, that is 7 times S -6. That is the system of equations. So if you solve the first equation, becomes F -3S is equal to 12 minus 4, that's equal to 8. The second one is F -7S equals 7 times -6 -42 plus 6, it is -36, right? So if you just subtract F minus F, 0 minus 3 minus -7, it is equal to 4S. 8 minus -36, that's equal to 44. What is S? S equals 11. If S equals 11, substitute in the second equation, first equation, for example, it is 15, 45. Father is 41 years old. Why our answers are different?
I know my mistake. I like in I have 42 and I add for 42 6. Not
Okay, Musa, if you correct your mistake, do you get the same answer?
yes. I have the same equation.
Yeah, I mean the answer.
Mm,
Daphne, how about you?
I have the same equation, but the like
Teacher, I did the same equation, but it's
I
just
mean,
that the minuses got mixed.
I mean,
I clicked
can you see your mistake, or I made a mistake
yes.
here?
No, teacher, I made mistake in the I said like -8 there and +3s. So that was a mistake.
Okay, good. All right, good. If you see your mistake now, try to do it without any making mistake. Okay, guys, if you're ready, let's do the next question. Okay, question 11. All right, I just need the exact answer. If you are ready, start. You have exactly 4 minutes. Two minutes left. Time is up.
Time
Leila,
is
let's start with you. Any answer?
No.
Leila, I suggest you to watch the movie. Yes, man. Musa, did you watch this movie?
What?
Teacher, I
Yes,
heard
man.
it.
Huh?
No,
I heard it, teacher.
Yeah, Layla, you need to watch this movie. Yes, man. It's so that's comedian. What's his name? He actually was a star in Musk, right? Jim Carrey. Okay, that's Jim Carrey's movie. It's so interesting movie. Actually, I like his movies a lot. All right, Layla, you need to watch this movie. At the time, when I say, Layla, did you solve it? Yes, Mr. Qasim. Did you get the answer? Yes, Mr. Qasim. Did you understand everything? Yes, Mr. Qasim. At the time,
What
I will
about,
fly in the sky.
teacher, what about what's the answer? Yes, Mr. Castle.
What?
Answer, then teacher, how about the answer?
Okay, how did you get the answer, Daphne?
I got it as like one is 12 and the other one is 18.
Okay. How about Musa?
I don't know. I don't know
18, teacher. Oh, yeah,
how
18.
to make an equation.
Yeah, Daphne, how can it be 18? The total weight is
yes,
20
teacher.
kg, right?
I wrote it wrong here.
Yeah,
It's
it should
okay,
be 8,
just
right?
let's do something else.
Okay. So here, Musa, we are just mixing two types of coffee, right? Let's say type A kg, type B kg. And 1 kg cost price of type A is 2.50. And type B, 1 kg is 3.50, right? And after that, actually, we are just selling this at this price. Of course, here we are not making any profit, any loss. Okay. So from this nature of this equation, we know that's A plus B, right? The total weight. I'm just mixing. When I'm mixing this, what is the total weight? It says and sold 20 kg, right? So that is 20, A plus B. And 1 kg of A is 2.5. So here we have 2.5 A plus, and B is 3.5 B. And how many kg? Here we have 20 kg, right? And each kilo is, we just sold this at 2.80. That is times 2.80. That is our simultaneous equations. So we have to solve these equations. Now from here, A plus B equals 20. Let me just rewrite this. A plus B equals 20. The second one is if you just multiply both sides by 10, here we have not 10. Let me just divide. Okay, let me just multiply by 25. Okay, let me just do like this. Multiply both sides by 10. No. Let's just multiply both sides by 2. Okay, if you just multiply by 2, 2 times 2.5, it is 5a. 2 times 3.5, it is 7b. On the right hand side, 2 times 20, it is 40. 40 times 2.80, it is 4. It is 80 plus 32, right? It is 112. I think it is 112, right? It is 80 plus 32. That is 112. Okay. And just simplify this, okay? The second equation, I just multiply by 2. And the rest is just we have to solve this, what is this? Simultaneous equations. To do this one, let me just use substitution method. So B is equal to 20 minus A, and substitute into the second equation. All right, here we have 5A plus 7 times, what is B? 20 minus A. On the right hand side,
B
we have
equals
112. So if you just expand this, 7 times 20, it is 140. 7 times A, negative 7A. 5A plus negative 7A. Here we have minus 2A. And 112 minus, take 140 to the right hand side. Here we have 140. What is A? A equals, that's equal to minus 28, right? So from here, A is equal to 14. If A equals 14, B should be 6. Daphne, did I make a mistake or you made a mistake?
Sure, I made a mistake, slight mistake in calculation. That's all.
Okay, good. Now I'm expecting to solve the next question without any mistake, okay? So that is the answer.
Yes,
That means that
teacher. I'm climbing the steps.
we added 14 kg from type A 6 kg from type B. Actually, it's a very simple business problem. We're going to see this kind of problem more in the future. Okay, guys, another question. Read it and understand and solve it. 5 minutes for this question.
Oh, by the way, teacher, I did that other question in a different way.
You did this in a different way?
Yes.
You mean by elimination method?
No. I did not do it with linear equations, like.
Yeah, also without, you can do this, but as I told you, Daphne, but here we are practicing simultaneous equations. That's why you need to form simultaneous equations and solve this. Of course, without this method, we can solve this, as I told you earlier. But here we are practicing simultaneous equations. That's why you need to form simultaneous equations, then solve it. Okay. And the second one, how can I solve this? Immediately here we are talking about 20. If type A is X, type B will be 20 minus X. Form your equation. You have one equation. Solve this. Actually, we will just get this equation here. Okay.
Yeah, that's how I did it.
Yeah. That's
Oh,
also
no, wait. I did it in a different way, actually. But then it didn't work, like the normal way.
Okay. Definitely. Can you take a picture and send it to me? While you solve the next question, I will see how you did it.
Oh, no, I got why I did wrong with that equation. I should have multiplied it by 20. I multiplied it by 2.
Okay. If you are ready, let's start. 5 minutes. I'm clicking now on resume. 5 minutes. Maybe that's our last question. Not last question. One more question, then we will finish the class. 1 minute left. Four, three, two, one. Time is up. Musa, any answer?
No, but I have a question, but not finished.
No, I don't need the answer. I need the result. Do you have any results?
Not yet.
Daphne, how about you?
Teacher, me too. I need a few more minutes.
Miss Leila, how about you? Leila,
I
are
don't
you
know.
there? But Leila, did you understand the question?
No.
Did you try this on the paper? Say yes, Leila. Say yes. I want to hear yes from you.
Yes.
Good. Okay, guys, let's solve this. Two cars leave a town at the same time and travel in opposite directions, right? Let's say the town is this, and they are traveling in opposite directions, right? One is moving in this direction, the second one is moving in this direction. After 3 hours, it says that the distance between them, let's say after 3 hours, this guy is somewhere here, and this guy is somewhere here, and the distance between these two cars, what is it? It is 4 kilometers. And it says that the speed of one car is 12 kilometers hour more than the other. So let's say the speed of the first car is, it is X, okay? And this one is Y. So since one is 12 kilometers hour more, that means that Y minus X is equal to 12, right? And what is the total distance? The distance, this one is, let's say D1 and D2, right? From here, what is the distance? Distance is time times, what is it? Time times speed. So speed is x times 3. Actually, just I need to write 3x. So this one is 3x. And how about D2, the distance traveled by the second car, which is traveling at the speed of y kilometers per hour. So that's equal to 3 times y. Because we are saying that after 3 hours, right? Each vehicle actually travel for 3 hours. Now, what is the total distance? As you see here, D1 plus D2. After 3 hours, they are 444 kilometers away from here. So using this equation, what is D1? 3x. What is D2? 3y. So here we have 3x plus 3y is equal to 444. That is our system of equations. Now from the first one, I can just write this one as y minus x equals 12. The second one, I can write it as y plus x. I just divide both sides by 3. If you divide 444 by 3, that's equal to what is it? 150, and 2 less, it is 148. So if we add them together, 2y equals 148 plus 12, that's equal to 160. Y equals 80. If y is equal to 80, x should be, what is it? 68, because 80 minus 68 equals 12. So actually, dot, 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 the first car is traveling at 68 kilometers per hour, and the second car was traveling at 80 kilometers per hour. Find the speed of each car. The speed of each car is 68 and 80. Musa, is it understood?
Yes, I have the same equation.
But you couldn't solve it.
Yes, the most period no yes the most period of time I was thinking about how to make equation, and then I made it, but the I choose the wrong method because I like um,
Okay, Musa, actually, to improve this one, you have to practice more and more questions. You have to practice questions for time, okay? And just solving one equation in 10 minutes, it's not good. You should be able to solve in maybe 2 or 3 minutes, okay? Daphne, any question, any feedback, any answer?
No, teacher. I
Layla?
understood.
Good, very good. Layla, anything from you?
No.
Okay, guys, then I'm going to finish here, okay? Uh, Maybe 5 minutes left, but I have to finish. It is 56 already. If I start another question, we cannot finish this. So we have 4 questions left. And let's see, next time also I will give you some time, or you should practice. Next time we will start new chapter. And I wish you a very, very happy new year. Okay. Enjoy your time with your family and enjoy a very special food. I don't know if you're going to cook special food on the 31st. Tomorrow is the 31st, right? So I will see you next week. It will be next year, 2021. Okay, enjoy your holiday, and see you next Monday. Okay,
thank
guys, thank
you,
you very
goodbye,
much. Bye bye.
see you
If you
next
have any
week.
questions anytime, you can just share with me on the what is this WhatsApp group. Okay, I'm closing
Okay,
now. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, bye.
you wish you
Thank you.
health,
Bye.
good luck, goodbye, happy
Thank
new
you,
year.
Musa. Thank you. Bye bye.